Hi everyone, I'm really sorry about tonight's video. I just had no time to film the full face, and I wanted to get some on the channel for Made Up in May. I know it isn't my best work, but I hope you enjoy it for what it is. I used the Beautybay Bright Mattes palette if you don't recognise the palette. If there's anything else you'd like to know, just let me know in the comments, but I will put everything I've used in the description box below. And that's everything, so I love you and leave you, and I promise to get a better video up tomorrow. Bye guys!
I knew it, I knew